guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. It's been a while since I recorded and shared anything on YouTube. Hey you guys, so how are you guys doing? Today I will be taking you with me while I am prepping for my daughter's birthday. I'm not going to take you through the whole process of like food prep and decor prep. I am only taking you to the spot over here, and I'm gonna be creating something beautiful out of balloons. So my plan is to cover the fireplace, cover the TV, and maybe go to the sides and incorporate those curtain rods, maybe even ceiling. Who knows? It's an ambitious project, ambitious ideas, but we'll see how far I will come with those ideas. Also, my daughter picked the colors. We sat down with her, I showed her the website with all the colors, and she picked what she liked. So it's totally her color palette. Let's go. Quick run through all the balloons before we start to inflate them. As you can see, I am working with Kalisan only, 4 colors in different sizes, 12, 18, 5, and 24-inch balloons. Starting from this side, standard sea green, standard light pink, standard lilac, and standard baby blue. I pre-inflated all the balloons into quads like these, so 2 pairs combined together into a quad, and then I tied all of the quads together into mini balloon garlands. So each mini balloon garland is different. Some mini balloon garland has 4 quads, some have 6, 5, 3 quads tied together by the necks of balloons. And now we need to combine all of this and start constructing our base for what I'm planning. So what I'm doing here is I am grabbing a mini balloon garland. I am going with pink, grabbing purple, and again tying everything by the necks of balloons. I'm creating a base first. All right. And I'll be doing this until I'll be happy with the length of my base. Once my balloon garland base was created, I decided which way I wanted to attach the base. So once it was attached to my TV, to my fireplace mantle with command hooks, I started to add mini balloon garlands, more mini balloon garlands. I started building out the width of my install. I started giving more volume and play around with colors. If you look really closely how I place my colors, and if you noticed that I never place the same color on top of the same color or very close unless it's necessary, like with these sea glass balloons, but it will work out great and they will not look really close and really sea glassy in that section because I will add more balloons later on. You'll see. Now I am extending this install to the sides to my curtain rods, and I actually utilize those curtain rods to attach my balloons. So I simply use those rings that pinch curtains, and I pinch the necks of balloons by those rings. I extended them both ways, my install, 2 sides, both ways, and I tried to not repeat again the same color on the same color because I like to distribute colors evenly throughout the whole install. Sometimes there is a possibility that you will add the same color on top of the same color because one color can get lost in the midst of other colors. So I kept on going with adding more balloons and more balloons. Once I was happy with my 11-inch balloons, I started adding my 16-inch balloons throughout the whole install again for more variety of balloons. Decided to add an extra side piece just to widen the whole install and went ahead with 5-inch balloons. Again, distributed them evenly throughout the install because I didn't have a lot of them. I also inflated 24-inch balloons for a variety of sizes and for volume in my install. Attached them with my rubber bands, and I was done. This is what I have so far. These are all of the colors. I still have some balloon garlands left, but I will use them for the front door entrance. So here is what I'm thinking. I think that even though this is beautiful, the color palette that my daughter chose was wonderful, but I feel like something's missing, something brighter, something to brighten up the whole thing. So I am adding yellow flowers. I feel like yellow will fit in here like a glove. Most of my flowers came from Amazon. Some came from Hobby Lobby and Walmart. I will link as many links as I can find, and I will link them in the description under the video.